Точно? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now.
Есть такой момент.
Хорошо, давай.
Okay. Hello.
Ты помнишь это здесь?
Я просто из камеры.
Хорошо.
So, when we do this movement, when I do my legs, it's first I should keep it straight and strong. So keep your knees strong. And also your foot on his leg, like this. And for me, I like when I turn my hand to camera. But you also can keep contact with eyes with your partner.
Еще раз.
Let's try again.
Раз, два, три, четыре. Окей? 5, 6, 7, 8. Окей? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, I'm making her to make a wave. I'm blocking the wave on me. Okay? This her middle part. I'm using my hand to lead her for wave. Okay? So I'm blocking it. Again, block. Again, block. Again, block. Again, block. Block. Okay? Why? Because we have another move to do. So one more time, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now the next move is gonna be dip, hip dip. So you dip. Okay? Remember, I blocked her, so I have to dip her. So I'm gonna show you now the dipping without the girl. So we are on this position. Put pressure from your left leg on her hips, okay? So you have to dip, okay? One more time. We are here, okay? It's the same with this. Pam, pam. But instead of using my hand, I'm using my leg, okay? Okay, so dip and pull her. Reverse, okay? One more time. Ты хочешь объяснить?
Wave?
Да. Что ты
Okay,
чувствуешь?
I can explain how I do wave. When he dropped me down, my hips behind. And let's go sit. And when I start a wave, I make reverse from my hips. So I put my hips to front to him, and after I do wave. So it should start from my hips. My hips it's first, and only after wave. Okay.
So let's try one more time, Martini. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you dip her and reverse. So you pull her same time, okay? So let's try it many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next move. Okay? Leadership division. Now, let's connect it to another move. Okay? Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So after this transition, you just drop her. Okay? Now when you're dropping her, you're blocking her with this your right hand. You're blocking half of her body so that you can make use of her right shoulder. Okay? Shoulder roll. Okay? It can be vice versa, or it can be the full rotation of ball and socket movement. Okay? You can. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna turn this side to show you one more time. So it can be the full circle rotation or pam, 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 pam. Remember, you are blocking half of her body with your right hand. So let's try one more time. Raz, dwa, trzy, cztery, pięć, sześć, seven, osiem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So depending on how long you want to do it, you can do it on 4s or on 8. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's add. Давай, если ты хочешь.
So when we finish this movement, after I should select my body. So my hips stay with my partner, but my chair go to left side. So my hips should stay with partner. I don't move my hips. Only my chair. Only my chair go to side. You need feel. It's like you slice yourself for two parts. This part should stay with your partner. This part can move and do it strong. And also control your shoulders. It's not good if you put up your shoulders like this or like this. No, straight. Boom. Look this line. It should be straight. Okay, like this.
So basically what she's trying to explain is when I'm dropping her, we have two variants of dropping. I can drop her without blocking her lower body, or I can drop her. Now I blocked her lower body, so I can have full control. You see, I blocked her lower body. I'm pushing her upper body towards my right side, blocking her lower body. See, her lower body is still on my left side. But if I don't want to block, I would just drop her in general without blocking. I can still play with her shoulders. Okay, so let's try and end it with a wave. For example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's repeat everything together that we have for today. Давай, Zela. Yeah. Oh,